Good morning, friends, and I hope you had a wonderful day. Uh, I'm sure most of the people from Karnataka have uh, basically casted their votes, whether it is Congress, BJP, or JDS, or any. Uh, Whoever wins, we wish that we have a strong leader who can do a great job because Bangalore needs a good, strong leader who can work on a lot of issues. It is one of the IT hubs, as you all know. Uh, so it's going to be the news. What we generally uh, see, is that there is a slight edge to Congress and maybe a hung majority. Let us see how it goes. Nothing can be predicted, nor uh, anything can change overnight. Only hope for the best and only wish that God, brings in a good leader. So we have also seen there's a inflation, U.S. Inflation data today, which has come and slightly reduced. Uh, Generally, the country may do not want the inflation to reduce drastically, but yes, compared to last month and 2.8.6. What we can see is it has been reducing, which can show bad about economy also to large extent. Uh, Let us see how the market reacted to this news. It has been very wild. If you look at the charts, post the inflation data, the market went up to 33,858 and then made a low of 33,300 and currently at 33,590. However, what I can see is it is definitely positive and it can test 33,998 to 34,000 in the coming days. This is a chartist view. There is of course a logic behind this, and let us see how it goes in a couple of days. In fact, some of the stocks we had mentioned, like HDFC, uh, Reliance. Reliance before the result, we were mentioning if we are able to capture buy at 2,320 levels, it is going to be a great rally. Uh, in fact, from the day the result has come, we're only seeing the upside in the stock. And right now we see 2492. We may even see 2600 levels coming in the stock in the future. So, as I said, nothing can be predictable. It's only a probability. Uh, but the confidence comes with practice. So we also train, and we also tell our people who are our mentors. This is a mentorship program than a strategy program where we guide people to see charts, understand the open interest, understand the big players data. Big players data, I'm talking about the market profile, volume profile, OFS, and others, which will help you mostly, in the short term and long term perspective. So everything is required for because you are not investing uh, not just small money. You are investing your savings, and it has to be used wisely. So today was mostly a day where we were scalping. Uh, in fact, we in the morning uh, we had yesterday to 18,000 C, 18,300 C, and 18,050 P, and then we initially added this C and trailed for a small profit. Uh, Market, if you remember, uh, suddenly moved up and then gave a big dip. Here we added call and then made some profit. Again we added. Of course, we did a bit on the put side also, but majorly we were able to make profits on the long side. Here again we saw some kind of a down rally, and we see that Nifty has very strongly given a breakout. In fact, in the morning, where yesterday's video, we not sure if the thing. Okay, we mentioned that Nifty can suddenly move up and then come down and then move up also. Yes, this is, yeah. In Bank Nifty, we mentioned that this is the possibility. It can move up and then came down. However, we were not expecting this big down move, or we did expect it to 43 300 and maybe lower. It made a very low of 42,860 and then started moving up. So exactly at these levels, I think it touched, came down, and then has touched the same spot and closed there. So Bank Nifty is basically struggling in this range. However, what we can see is Nifty has comfortably broken out the triangle, uh, and we should be seeing 18,360 to 18,400 levels in couple of days, or maybe even tomorrow. So if there are depends on the amount of shorts which are there pending, and how Bank Nifty is able to move forward tomorrow. Being an expiry, uh, of course, I am expecting a very big rally. In fact, earlier I was mentioning that my long-term target in Bank Nifty is 43,800 to 44,000 uh, in futures, the monthly expiry. Let me see if I can show that. Uh, yes, Bank Nifty future be long target 43,800 to 44,000 by monthly expiry. So this target remains intact, and we're expecting this to happen. So what I can say is tomorrow, though I'm bullish, uh, please trade with logic as per your analysis. We of course are looking to work on a lot of zero to hero trades tomorrow. Let us see how it goes. If you are keen, please do join a Telegram. We may post some uh, in the Telegram group tomorrow, if at all time permits, because we also have our this is the name of our uh, Telegram channel. It's ChatSpeak, name as same as uh, what we have. I think so. I'll share this link here in the chat box so that you can join, and of course this is totally free. We're also keen to understand, learn the market, uh, get pre-market calls before the market. We share a lot of pre-market calls in the YouTube, and also we guide how to use these calls during the market hours in the personal WhatsApp group. So Titan, I'm looking at 2740 call. Once this moves above 53, I'm looking at target of 60 plus. A nice descending triangle. I'm expecting a breakout, and then I'm looking at 730 call JSWSteel. Once this moves above 15, then I'm looking at targets of 20 plus. Adani port, we are already holding 690 call. Uh, for interested, we can look at adding once this moves about 21, target of 28 plus. Asian Paints, I'm looking at a good breakout, but may not be a very big move, of course. But 3040 call once this moves above 71, can look at targets of 70 plus. ITC, I'm looking on the put side, 725 put, about 7.3, targets of 8.5. Uh, Lot size is big, so would have to trade this with caution. Glenmark has been very positively moving up. Uh, I think this should touch 670 or 80 levels. Uh, Fundamentals also looks pretty positive, so one may remain long in this, especially in equity. And if you want, you can write calls to hedge your positions. So 620 call can be hedged. Amarraj batteries, I think we should see some big moves coming in. Targets could be around 660. Um, if you remember, before results, we spoke about Reliance, and we had mentioned if we are able to catch this 2000 at levels of 2320, we should see 2440 or higher. And right now I can see that Reliance should hit 2600 in couple of months from now. So good upside move going on. Indigo also is given a nice breakout. We should see 2300 couple of weeks. uh, ISC also has in fact uh, given a nice breakout from this big triangle, and then there was a breakout over here as well, retested and has given the upside. IFC is sorry, ONGC has given a breakout in the monthly couple of months back. I think even the weekly it has given a breakout and heading towards 180 levels. So this is a stock which you should hold because I think ONGC do provides dividends. Uh, Siemens we had mentioned is a long-term bet along with HDFC. Of course, HDFC after the news has hit a bit badly, was down by 5%, and then I think has now slowly started recovering. Please hold this for as a long-term bet. I'm speaking about 1 to 2 years horizon. We should see very good moves coming in. Uh, Let me bring this to my Maruti. Also, if you remember, we had given a call, and generally Maruti when it starts moving either upside or downside, it gives very strong moves. Let's look at Maruti. I think 5th of May we had shared. Post this 8,800 has now actually gone to 300 plus. So good bets if you are a long-term investor. Is a good time. We should see some very good bull run coming in. Of course, there will be a lot of what do you say uh, sudden moves coming to shake off the weak investors like us. Bharati, I'm seeing 8,800 is now 400. Uh, so good move. I think the bull run is here. Ashok Leyland, if somebody is keen, should be also holding. Uh, so be an investor for long term. Yes, of course, our channel focus, we focus more on intraday, but also we do share some couple of stocks. We do not want to share too many stocks for a long term. Adani port, some people were asking me the targets. I think it's just going to be very slow, but yes, we could see 800 plus coming in. Uh, Manappuram also, if you see, uh, fell very badly, has taken a support here at 100 levels and then started moving up. This also stock I remember gives small dividends because I do keep seeing this coming into my account. I have very few stocks of this as well. Uh, I also would recommend we also had recommend the other Fontech. I think other Fontech one should hold this. Other group is one of the Bangalore-based companies, and they are also pretty good in terms of their business. So they also provide dividends every and good stock to hold. So thanks for joining in. Some of our people who subscribe, I think one of a new subscriber within 2 days has made good profit of 29, and this is profits shared. So I hope you all join us and make some profit and follow the pre-market calls. Do remember the pre-market call is very clear. Like for today, I have mentioned Adani. You need to buy only if the price moves from below. When I say 98, price has to move from 90, even 97 is fine, or 96 is also okay. But does not, it should not come from 98.2 touch 98 and we are expecting to move up. This is not a support level. Just trying to clarify. Because a lot of people ask me, sir, it is come, it went 100, it's now at 98, should I buy? So only price moves from the below mentioned price. It may happen twice, thrice in a day also. And also remember to trail your stop loss. Once it is in profit, start trailing your stop loss. Market doesn't suddenly move. It moves up, comes down again. Especially the options gives 2-3 trades. When you trail a stop loss, sometimes the stop loss gets hit, again moves down below the price and starts moving up because it requires time, momentum to get the trade moving. Uh, so do trade with caution. Today, of course, is going to be a good day as being expiry, and wish you all the best. And